Hello guys, welcome to Information Channel. Today I am going to do the experiment about Diwali special, and this is KitKat firecrackers, and this is the baby crackers. Here you see, this is I will do the experiment. By these two I will do the experiment. Then why you are waiting for? Let's begin a video. Let's open it. Fire baby crackers. Let's fire together at a time 100 firecrackers at a time. These KitKat crackers will stick in it like this with a serial orders, then fire it out. Let's see what happens and how it is fire. Then while you're waiting, let's start the experiment at the time. First I'm opening this baby crocs. Guys, this is the baby fire props, 100 baby fire props, and I round up this with the help of glue. You can see here, with the help of glue I round up these baby fire props. Now I am putting here. Let us see what happens.
Lost beyond the edge, planning what to say. It kills me not to know, but yet I carry on, letting go of safety, holding on to fear. Will you be there when
You can see it in fraction of a second it will take fire. Now I am closing the experiment. Let's start second one. Guys, this is second experiment with the KitKat crackers. I put it KitKat crackers with the serially with the help of the glue. You can see here, with the help of glue I attached one by one, and let's fire here and see what happens. Let's go. Guys, let's fire out. guys, this is about today. If you want like this video, then subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notification in future. And thank you for watching the video once again. Take care. Bye bye.